has a history that spans over 1,500 years. The earliest form of chess, known as Chaturanga, originated in India in the 6th century. It later traveled to Persia, where it was called Shatranj. From there, it spread across the Islamic world and into medieval Europe, where it took on its modern form by the 15th century.
Chess is a two-player game played 8 by 8, alternating light and dark squares. Each player controls 16 pieces including pawns, knights, bishops, rooks, queen, and king. The goal, checkmate your opponent's king, meaning the king is in a position where it cannot escape the country. This is a mind sport that challenges a player's ability to plan, calculate, and adapt. It teaches patience, critical thinking, and problem solving. Every move has consequences, and the better you can predict your opponent's strategy, the better your chances of winning.
Pawn. Move forward 1 square but capture diagonally. They can move 2 squares on the first move.
Knight. Move in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction and 1 perpendicular. They can also jump over other pieces.
Bishops. Move diagonally across the board.
Rooks. Move in straight lines, horizontally or vertically.
Queen is the most powerful, moving in any direction across the board.
King. Move 1 square in any direction and must be protected at all costs.
The game ends when one player checkmates the opponent's king. A checkmate occurs when the king is also trapped and cannot escape. The game can also end in a draw if a player can force a win.
Checkmate.
And that's chess, a game of strategy, patience, and endless possibilities. Whether you're playing for fun, competing in a tournament, or just looking for a mental challenge, chess is a game but never gets old.
So, are you ready to make your move?